Hey guys, it's Yam and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a super easy yellow golden eye look. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell beside it so you will be notified on my next video. Just like this one.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
Before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm gonna prime my eyelids first using this Maybelline concealer in the shade number 15 Fair. So I'm gonna play with this Colorboard Beauty Glazed palette and I'm going to use this yellow shade. I'm going to blend this all over my crease. I'm also gonna put the same color underneath my lower lash line. So yes, this yellow color again. And since I don't have a golden shimmery color to put at the center of my eyelids, I will use this shimmer. It looks like an aquamarine. There are a lot of glitter fallouts on this one. And then I'm gonna use another color, this darker yellow eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow for my lower lash line again because parang sobrang yellow niya. And then I'm gonna contour my nose using this Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade Confirm. also gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes using this Glam Pocket from Skin Potions. And I'm gonna finish this look with this nudist lipstick from Science Face. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this another makeup session with me, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what are the videos you would like to see next here on my channel. And also do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one and some random vlogs, and don't forget to hit the notification bell beside it so you won't miss any of my new videos. This has been Yamyam saying goodbye and see you next time. Bye!